Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you a new option, Find and Replace feature available in ToolKit. How many times it happened to you that you used wrong holder and you want to quickly replace it along whole library that you're using on your pod? So over here I have components where we are using the holder HSK A63 and I want to replace it with another one. To do that quickly, you can do a right click on specific target or the magazine, and you'll find an option, Find and Replace. This is how the interface looks like. So first what you need to select is the component type. In this case, I'm going to stick to the adapters and holders. And here what you need to do is to type a component name. You can always use advanced view, so you can take a look on each components and their names. So you can go A63, you don't need to specify the whole name, just particular one, it is enough. And you can click on search. You can know that 6 components have been found. Let's replace it with specific component in the library. So I will just select the library first. And this time I will go with HSK40. That looks like this. I'll click OK. And I'll just click on Replace. You can find Next and Replace, or you can just simply click on Replace All. All components that had the component name starting or contain A63 will be replaced. I hope you like this feature. See you in the next video. Bye.